for watching this video. Today we're going to do a quick walk around on the 2017 Toyota Corolla IM. So if you're not familiar with the IM is pretty much Toyota's answer / replacement to the Toyota Matrix, which is a great vehicle. Came out in 2003, ran to 2014. So there was a gap in the year there. 2015 they didn't produce, Toyota didn't produce a midsize hatchback. But there was a little company called Scion that came into Canada in started in 2003, I should say, in the States. It came to Canada in 2013, and they had about a 3-year stint here in Canada, and then just with marketing and everything, Scion kind of disbanded. So this car was available as a Scion IM in 2016. But in 2017, it just rolled over to the Toyota lineup. You'll see the Toyota badge on the front there. And basically, it shares the same motor as in the Toyota Corolla Eco model, which is Toyota's Valvematic. So everybody's wondering about parts, etc. This car from front to back is basically just an upgraded version of the Corolla, only in the hatchback style. That's Corolla hatchback, IM, right? So the Valvematic is going to offer about 137 horsepower. So there's lots of power here with Toyota's Valvematic engine, which helps with helps quite a bit with about 5 to 10% more fuel efficiency than the standard dual VVTi motor. But it has the timing chain on it, so there's no replacement with that really. 192,000 kilometer spark plugs, full synthetic oil on this one, so 0W20. So you can go 8,000 kilometers with your oil changes. Okay, heavy duty battery, starter and alternator on here. And all of the IMs would have been were produced in Japan. So it's one of the few models that Toyota made, built on Japanese soil and shipped over here. Electric power steering module here. Airbox, so there's air filter in there for filtering the air going into the engine. Okay, and then Toyota uses clear reservoirs for all the fluids. So there's the coolant. Washer fluid in here. Takes a full 4-liter jug when the light comes on inside. But this is a really tidy car. This one's only got about 25,000 kilometers on the odometer. Very nicely kept. It was a 1 owner lease return. And these are the best cars really to get when you're looking at something used. You don't want to buy a new one. You want to save some money on depreciation. This one is the lowest mileage IM I have right now. I have a couple other automatics as well too. But these came standard with a 17-inch alloy wheel. The skirting kit that you see on there is standard on all these cars as well. So they were produced basically as a mono spec design, basically meaning you pick the transmission, you pick the color, and then you could accessorize. This one has a rear bumper protector on there as well too. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Okay, great design. As the Matrix before it, I mean the 60/40 split back seats fold down pretty much flat. There's a little button in here. Lift up the headrest, making it look harder than it is. A little button on the side there. Up the headrest goes and then folds forward, locks in, so that when you fold the seat forward, just push this little handle forward here, and away it goes. Okay, go to a widescreen view here so you can see a little better. Same on this side here, right? Little button you'll see is right here. Push that, headrest goes up, folds down, and then down goes the seat. Okay, so pretty much perfectly flat. It's not quite as tall on the inside in here as the Matrix was, but if you're looking just for the, that hatchback design that's going to give you, shade the sun there a bit for you, it's going to give you more versatility to move those bigger things around, or you got some projects on the go and you need to move some lumber and whatnot. There's a nice space that goes right up the middle there too. You can put some stuff up on the dash. Carpet mats are in here, still in the bags, never used. Little tray in underneath here, temporary spare tire in underneath the back as well too. And the jack, everything's here. Okay, this is kind of a neat color. It's a love it or hate it color. This one's called spring green, and at night there's an LED light that comes all the way across here. Design more or less taken from Lexus for a lot of the exterior lighting features on this car. Looks great at night. So let's go ahead and check out the back seat here. So again, these flip up really easy. Flip up the headrest, lock that in. Just want to show you the fabric on the seat here. Yeah. Okay. It's got a nice bit of it's a nice weave to it with a little bit of multicolor there. It is a sport fabric, so it doesn't have a lot of pilling on it. Easy to clean. And then you can see it's got the full set of rubber mats on it. One thing I love about this car too is just design. Nice big cup holder here. So if you got a thermos, tall Tim Hortons cups and whatnot fit right in there. Okay, so good space for anybody in the back seat. Sometimes back seats get shortchanged on cup holders, right? So, and on the inside here, nice design. You get the black piano finish on the handles, power windows. Okay, it is a 6-way manual adjustable seat, so you pump the handle here to go up and vice versa to go down. Okay, and then you got the side airbags there. There is the airbags that deploy as well from the A-pillar there, and then you have the 2 in the front, so one on the passenger side right over here, another one comes out of the steering wheel, and then there is a knee airbag deployment down there as well. So 7 airbags all together in the Corolla IM. Okay, once we settle in here, whoops, let me just show you this. So you see the power mirror adjustment. Now this little button here is for the power folding mirrors. You don't see that on a lot of cars. Usually you have to go to something kind of high end to be able to get the offering of a power folding mirror. Okay, switchblade key, like the key, it's kind of fun. Okay, I am getting a little bit of sun, so I'm going to try and move up a little bit here to the shade. You guys aren't getting as much glare. It's better, I think. Okay. So power folding mirrors, push that button, mirrors fold in. Okay, kind of nice if you're in a tight parking space, or maybe you have underground parking or something like that, and you need to just keep your mirrors tucked in so somebody doesn't bump them off. Okay, this car is equipped with a lane departure system, so the camera up behind the rear view mirror here also has a photo cell for the automatic high beam at night. Okay, but you can see the lane departure screen is on right now. So basically, if your car drifts to the left or to the right and it notices getting too close to the edge, it's actually going to actively steer the car back into the lane again. Okay, see the mileage on this particular guy here is 25,000 kilometers. So again, lots of powertrain. There's some comprehensive warranty up to 60,000 kilometers, or about another 35. That would be sometime this year likely, and then 5-year 100 is on the powertrain. So that's engine, transmission, gasket, seals, all that kind of stuff. Still lots of warranty left from Toyota. Nice leather wrapped on the steering wheel. Okay, again, standard on the IM. You can see the nice stitching, the detail there, attention to detail. And then you've got this basically a little joystick or keypad here, operates your screen there, so you can move left to right. Some good information in there as far as there's your sensitivity you can adjust for your lane departure, fuel range, and you can scroll down in there as well too. Okay, that got reset on us. Fuel economy. These guys should average in about 7.9 or so liters per 100. You got radio controls here, Bluetooth, and then voice recognition as well. Okay, now the radio that's in here, okay, you'll notice the one thing that this does not have is a CD player. The IM never came with a CD player. They made the screen bigger and they went with digital audio, because most people now are either using Bluetooth audio or they're plugging in a USB stick here with their music and playing it that way. There is an AHA app that's built in from the factory, so you can download that from your app store and whatnot. Okay, sorry, we're gonna clean the lens there. Maybe that'll make it better. There we go. Okay, download that app. You can download your music in your Wi-Fi zone and take your music with you. Okay, again, nice black piano finish with the nice silver accents across there. This is white, by the way. It might look silver on your screen, but it's white. Just really accents the dash nicely. And then this one has the heated mirrors down in there, or sorry, heated seats, I should say. Okay. And then, of course, this one is a 6-speed. This car is a lot of fun to drive with a 6-speed. It's one of the few vehicles that Toyota makes that is still standard. So for you manual drivers out there like me, it's a lot of fun. And the throw on the gears is so easy to manage and zip through. And then your reverse, you kind of pull up on the lever to get over and into the reverse gear, and then the backup camera comes on. Okay, it's got those nice guidelines on there too to let you know how close you are to people behind you or when you're parking. Cup holders, again, plenty in here. Lots more in the doors as well too. Okay, so this car needs a home, as well as a couple other IMs that we have here that are automatic if you're not a standard driver, let's say. Little sunglass holder up there too. Okay, so these cars, again, a lot of fun to drive, very sporty feeling. They got that lower profile tire outside. You just have to try it. A car's like a shoe. You got to try it on before you like it to see, right? To see if it's the right fit for you. But if you're exploring the hatchback market, make sure you do yourself a favor and come by Guelph Toyota and have a look at our Corolla IM hatchbacks. Okay, thanks for tuning in today. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button dead stab in the middle here. There's gonna be some other videos that pop up, but follow us on, make sure you follow along with us, and we can do that by hitting that subscribe button. We appreciate all you guys for watching today. Stay safe.